Good morning, everyone. Today I want to talk about the exercise 9. Alright, exercise 9 and the enthalpy. Okay, and here's the question of 35, and it is valuable to talk about this question because this is a bit challenging questions about related to enthalpy change. Okay, so first of all, let's have a look at this question. It is known that when there is sufficient oxygen, carbon, okay, can further react with oxygen to give carbon dioxide with a release of energy of 394 kJ per mole, right? So now the question is that, what's the heat change when 15 grams of the sodium chloride 5 react with excess sucrose and oxygen? As a result, for this question, according to the statement in the first sentences, it came that when carbon reacted with oxygen, it will give out carbon dioxide, and the delta H is okay 394 kJ per mole, right? And as for this question, according to the equation provided, and here's the reaction between sodium and these two reactants reacted to give out this enthalpy, right? And now you are being asked that what's the heat change, okay, when they are reacted with excess and oxygen, right? So based on that one, you have to make the new equation, okay? Because according to this equation, carbon dioxide is remainder, right? Okay, so sorry about that. It should be carbon. Carbon is remainder. So when carbon, according to the first sentences, further react with oxygen, it will produce carbon dioxide with the heat being released. As a result, we have to construct a new equation because further carbon will react to with oxygen to give out carbon dioxide, right? So, and here's the new equation. We give it delta H. So we have to use our previous knowledge, being the equation, the enthalpy, the heat release is this value, minus 2192 kJ per mole, right? And as for this one, the carbon is remainder. So the carbon will also, according, okay, you are reminded, please remember, and the sentences in the questions is a very good hint for you to find out the equation. Further react, right? So carbon will produce carbon dioxide, okay? So according to this equation, and we have to consider here's the bond hypercycle, because, right, as this one, we have to add them together. So finally we can get the energy released is 5,000, okay? And now the sodium chloride is 15 grams. You are being asked that, okay, if there are 15 grams of sodium chloride, so what we added with sucrose and oxygen, so what will we add? And here we have to find out the number of mole, okay? And here's the number of mole of sodium chloride, okay? And finally, this part is really important. We find out that if we, according to this equation, we use 1 mole to make this, we use 1 mole, okay? This one is used to describe this equation. 2 mole of NaClO3 reacted with the sucrose with 9 mole of the oxygen, so it will generate 5,000 and 738 kJ per mole, right? So we use this method because according to this equation, it's really important. It indicates that it is 2 mole of the sodium chlorate, right? So by using, in Chinese, I call 比例法, 2 mole will release 5,738 kJ. So how about that? 0.141. So we can use their relationship to do this calculation. And finally, we could come up with this answer, minus 404.1 kJ. So remember, I hope this could help you.